Now that we've taken a look at how 3D Experience can help out with the engineering side of your business, let's take a look at some other areas. First, we'll start with marketing. With marketing, you know that sometimes when you're doing things such as renders that you have to depend on the engineer's CAD data to get that render done. So first of all, collaborating with the engineers can sometimes be a pain point, so the 3D Experience takes care of that with roles such as the Collaborative Business Innovator, allowing you to easily keep track of where they are with a project and request certain CAD data and be able to access that directly with the 3D drive. And then that CAD data can directly be used to create your renders for marketing content. But with the CAD data, that is high precision and can cause slow renders. So the tools provided with the marketing outside of 3D Experience often simplify this down and create an easy workflow for the marketers of your team. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at a few of the available roles available to the marketing side of 3D Experience. So the Marketing Model Creator is one of the roles available to the marketing side of things, and it has applications that are focused on creating a 3D Experience twin for marketing purposes. As I stated in the last video, the CAD data from the engineers can be high precision. If you've ever converted a part to an STL for things such as 3D printing, you know that it will convert it into a number of triangles. With a full precision CAD data from, say, an engineering team, the number of triangles can be very, very great, and this can lead to slow render times. With the Marketing Model Creator, you have tools that will be able to simplify down into a lower number of triangles that will improve your render times. And for marketing purposes, all you need is for it to appear similar to how the actual product would be designed. You do not need the actual precision needed for manufacturing. So this has applications such as Ambiance Studio that allows you to apply lighting effects and everything to create the ambiance for your renders. Material definition that allows you to create a library of material appearances that you can drag and drop onto your parts for rendering, as well as a rendering scene design that allows you to create scenes to place your render in. Next up, we'll take a quick look at the role in action. Here you can see the Marketing Model Creator role in action. So this is focused on creating that 3D Experience twin based off the engineering CAD data. You can apply appearances and modify those appearances. You can create ambiances with HDR light sources as well as HDR environments. And then you can enrich your product. So here you can see they took the original product, which was broken down into 1 million triangles, down into 150,000 triangles or even 80,000 triangles. Now this saves your marketing team time and money, creating your renders quicker than before. So that's it for Marketing Model Creator. Next up, we're going to take a look at Marketing Experience Creator. So here we have the Marketing Experience Creator. This has applications focused on creating interactive experiences for your consumer. Now you may notice that this actually has all of the same apps included in the last role that we went over. It has Ambiance Studio, Material Definition, Creative Experience, as well as Rendering Scene Design. This may be a little bit confusing, but this just goes to show one of the advantages of 3D Experience once again. Say this is an application, desktop application that you would have to purchase. Now, you may only need those 4 tools, but you still would have to, in the past, purchase the entire application. Now, with the functionality of roles on the 3D Experience platform, if you only need those 4 tools, you can focus in and purchase that role specifically without wasting your money on tools that you won't need to use. So with this, you do have the same functionality that you would be able to carry out with the Marketing Model Creator, but added functionality of tools such as the Human Animation Studio, allowing you to create animations with humans in them. Planet Studio, allowing you to create large-scale environment renders for things such as, for example, a wind turbine. You would need a large-scale environment render for that. And you even have a little bit of product management tools such as Product Finder, Collaborative IP Management, making sure that you can track the project through its progress. Next up, we'll take a quick look at this role in action. Here we have the Marketing Experience Creator. So you can have animations including things such as humans or exploded views. You can break these exploded views down into a user interface button to make it a more interactive experience for the consumer. You have your large-scale environment modifications, so you can create large-scale renderings for outdoor products. And you can even break this down into virtual reality to make it a more interactive experience for the consumer. So that's it for marketing for 3D Experience. Next up, we're going to take a look at how 3D Experience can be utilized for the sales team.